Yes, we have filed a bail on behalf of Mr. Srivastav. It's our case that it is only a frame-up. The prosecution is alleging that there is violation of Section 7 as well as Section 13 of the Corruption Act. And our case is that these are things which are planted against my client. We have been able to argue that he is not required in custody. Assume for a minute that the prosecution is right in saying that they have collected all this material against him. The whole case that the court has to consider is whether the custody is required of the accused. If everything is before the prosecution and in their hands, then there is the question of demanding his custody. That's the short point. And one should always know that ultimately he is presumed to be innocent till proved guilty. Now all that material will have to stand the test of trial. So today, assume prima facie they have a material before them, then that material can be produced at the stage of trial. What purpose will be served with me being behind the bars at this stage? So the court has heard the arguments and have fixed the matter on tomorrow for orders.